Hello, it's Binu here. So today I'm doing a video on Kabwata cultural village in Lusaka, Zambia. So this is a cultural village which is similar to the ones you see in different parts of Africa, like thatched huts, handicrafts work, wooden works, that type of stuff. So it is free to enter. It's very hot. It's 30 plus. But the good thing is free to enter, no fees, nothing. So I'll take you around and see what is going on inside. So let's make a start. So that's the Kabwata Cultural Center in Lusaka, Zambia. Looks like it's just me from here. So it's all like the old type of huts. It's mainly for tourists. That's why I cannot see anyone other than me. I hope I will not be surrounded by a lot of people to buy their stuff. It's a very common thing, because I'm the only one here now. This is like a mini amphitheater. You can see animal skin on the floor. I think it's being laid there for drying. Yeah, it's not at all good, because I can see I'm the only one here. So it's all the usual touristic stuff: carvings, curios, clothes. And Lusaka is not that much a tourist destination, because it's just a gateway. So I took a flight really just to have a quick look of the city only. But most of the people or tourists, they go to Livingston, because that's the waterfalls, or they will go to the national parks to see the elephants, type of stuff. It's a very nice one. Carpet. will not call it graffiti. This is like nice artistic work. Needs some skills to draw all these things. So old style roundhouse with thatched roof. This is a common scenery in most of the cultural villages in African continent. I have been to Tanzanian Dar es Salaam. Same thing, different types of thatched huts. No one lives there, but this is how people in the past were living. Okay, that's the first set of people other than me just over here, their family, a couple and a kid. Other than that, it's very sad because no one is here.